Welcome to Everything English with John, the #1 place for YouTube English lessons. I'm John, and today we're going to talk about common expressions in English, straight from the horse's mouth. Nancy and Jane are coworkers. Right now, they're discussing company policy and talking about days off. Hey Jane, have you heard about the new company policy on vacation days? No, I haven't. There's a new policy? What's the deal? I just talked to the CEO and she told me that starting next quarter, we're going to have unlimited vacation days. Seriously? Unlimited vacation days? That's incredible. Yep, straight from the horse's mouth. The CEO told me herself. That's amazing news. When does it kick in? I can't wait. Quiz time. What does straight from the horse's mouth mean? Horses eat a lot? The boss is an idiot. It's information directly from the source. Horses are majestic animals. Please pause the video and answer the question. That's right, it's C. It's information directly from the source. Teaching moment. Nancy and Jane were excited about the new policy. Jane asked how Nancy heard about the information, and Nancy said she got it directly from the source. Examples. I heard that the new product is going to be released next month. Straight from the horse's mouth. My friend works in the marketing department. I wanted to know more about the concert, so I asked the vocalist. Straight from the horse's mouth, they're planning to play all their greatest hits. Vocabulary extras. What's the deal? What's going on? What's the situation? The CEO. The Chief Executive Officer, the boss of the company. To kick in. To start to have an effect. To be released. To become available to consumers. Thanks for watching Everything English with John. Please like, share, and subscribe. For more information or private classes, please visit my site, everythingenglishwithjohn.com.